Pose with the fans. Pose with the pose with the pose with the fans.
Hello guys, let me introduce myself. My name is Debbie Onota Kanisa and my friends
I'm Elsa Karismanzara,
in class 444F01.
majoring in public relations. Enjoy the video.
Bye bye. Hi Elsa, finally the class is over. I'm so tired today.
Hi Devi, me too. The presentation is the morning really made me nervous.
But you did great. Your explanation was clear and confident.
Really? Thank you so much. I thought I made many mistakes.
No, not at all. By the way, do you have any plans for this Saturday?
I don't think so. Why?
Actually, I want to invite you to the campus art festival this Saturday evening.
Oh, really? This sounds interesting. What kind of festival is it?
Is an annual event held by university. There will be music performance, food booths, traditional dance performance, and exhibition, and many fun games.
Wow, this sounds exciting. What times do you start?
It starts at 5 p.m., but I think we should come earlier because many students will attend the event.
That's true. Where will be the festival be held?
At the main campus,
True. Where will the festival be held?
at the main campus felt near the library building.
Oh, I know that place. I went there last year for a music concert.
Really? Then you probably know how one the atmosphere is it?
Yes, the campus events are always lively and entertaining.
Exactly. This year is even more special because there will be guest star from Jakarta.
Serious? Who are they?
I hear there will be an indie band and also a famous TikTok singer.
They sound amazing. I love live music performance.
Me too. That's why I really want to go there with my friends.
Who else will come besides us?
Maybe Rina, Siska, and Dito. They said they are still checking their schedules.
I hope they come on camp too. It will be more fun if many friends join us.
Yes, absolutely.
So, what should we wear for the festival?
Maybe casual outfits are fine, but many students are usually there's stylists for taking pictures.
That's true. People nowadays love uploading photos to Instagram.
Exactly. I also want to take many pictures there.
Some here exploity if the decoration is beautiful.
I hear the college prepared colorful lights and photo booth this year.
Really? Then I definitely don't want to miss you.
So, would you like to come with me?
Yes, I would love to. Thank you for inviting me.
You're welcome. I'm happy you come. Yeah. And don't be late.
Hey, you be on time.
Come not always.
Okay, maybe sometimes. Thank you again for inviting me, Devi.
No problem. I'm glad to accept my invitation.
I think the festival will be around really fun.
Yes, and it will be good opportunity to relax after many assessment and exams.
Actually, university life can be stressful sometimes.
That's why we need entertainment too.
I totally agree.
Alright, then see you on Saturday.
See you! I'm really excited for the festival.
Me too. Have a nice day, Alpha.